Once logged in, you will be brought to your home page or your updates and announcements page. So over here we have recent activity, and then to the right of that, course dashboard. So there's not a lot on this parent account for this, but I'm just going to walk through these options, and then we'll look at it in a student view. So up here you have courses, so if you're enrolled in any courses for your child's teachers or anything like that, they'll show up here. Your groups, any groups that you join, and any resources that you want to save as a parent can be put here, or you can save them just as you would on a OneDrive or a Google Drive. Okay, so over here on the right hand side, actually I'm going to go back to our home page by clicking on this button, and then you have a search bar up here, you have a calendar right here, and you have a bell that will give you any notifications right here. Okay, now if we click on this and we look at it from a student view. Okay, so our student here doesn't have a search bar, but they do have a calendar, which will be very important because it lists any of the assignments and when they are due, and it has some color coding here for organization. Okay, so the student has all of these courses that they're in. They're not a part of any group, but maybe they may be part of a group within a class, maybe a reading group or something along those lines. And then their grade report, which we've reviewed in the previous assignment video. Okay, so to go back to our dashboard, we click on WTPS one more time. And again, we have our student activity here, which are any of the updates or announcements or postings from your child's teachers, or anything that they post will be brought to here, and then also the courses that they are enrolled in. And then again on the right we have the recent grades, the overdue assignments, which hopefully won't be as long of a list, and then upcoming assignments will be right down here. Okay, so that is your home page or your updates and announcements page.